Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a LEGO Miata car. First, gather all your LEGO bricks, focusing on the specific pieces needed for the Miata's unique shape. A flat, clear surface is essential for building. Organize your bricks by color and type to streamline the construction process. This preparation saves time and makes the build more enjoyable, ensuring you have everything at your fingertips. Next, let's build the sturdy chassis, which forms the foundation of your LEGO Miata. Carefully connect the base plates and beams to create a strong frame. Attach the four wheels firmly to the axles, making sure they spin freely. Pay close attention to the wheelbase, aiming for a realistic proportion that captures the Miata's compact design. Now, it's time to bring your Miata to life with its iconic bodywork. Carefully build the curved fenders and sleek side panels, capturing the car's smooth lines. Don't forget the interior. Add 2 seats and a steering wheel for a complete look. Finally, attach the headlights and taillights, using transparent bricks to give your model a realistic finish. For the final touches, double-check all connections to ensure your LEGO Miata is robust and complete. Add any last decorative elements, like mirrors or a license plate, to personalize your build. Once finished, find a prominent spot to display your impressive creation. You've successfully built a detailed LEGO Miata, ready to be admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.